Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix common error in Twitter. In order to fix common error in Twitter, you need to follow these steps. Now, first of all, you could go with the basic steps. That is, you could check your internet connection. So swipe down from the top of the page and then you want to long press the internet icon and it's going to take you to the settings, right? Over here, you could either go ahead and restart your mobile data or a Wi-Fi that you're connected, and at the same time restart your modem or a router. That is going to help you out as well. Now next, what you could also do is on this page, you could long press the Twitter application and then go to the app info section and then come to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and then other than that, you could also go ahead and check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version as well. So open up your respective app store on the search bar, type in Twitter and check for an update button. Now, other than that, or after, despite all this procedure, if the issue still persists on, then you could simply uninstall the app, reinstall it, and then restart your device, and that should definitely help you out, fix your common error in Twitter. So these are some of the ways to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.